Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Now last class we have stopped up to this. So we have a edit and delete. We have discussed. We will do it later on. So yeah, this one we have to click the add images. Okay, yeah, the room we have a images. Okay, the one this room one, room three. We have a more than one images. We will be able to add for the rooms. Okay, you will be able to add more than one images for the room. Okay, so when you book the room, user will be able to check the room facilities and how the room look like. All the things are they are going to see before they can purchase the room. So that we have to add the room images, uh, very quality image. We can get the images from the camera or phone. We can get the good quality images and upload the rooms. So the room add images button is very must. So if you click on this button, we will be able to add the images. So what you're going to do is I want to make this project. I want to add the another one is a blade manage images dot blade dot ph. We have to create the another page. So this page I'm going to copy this one. This all things I give you, don't worry. So here you will be able to see it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, so the room images, this part we have a go to my code script where the code make index dot blade. So we have the area of manage the images, this one. So we have to call this particular route. When you click this images button, so you have to call this form. So you have to, what is the route, you have to call in that particular route. So the calling route, you have to do it here. This one should be the this route room route save images control. It goes to the save images control. Okay, when you click the add images button. So what you are going to do is here we have to do it. You have to do it here. You have to do it. You have to get these two things for work with the images. So we have a route is very must. So we have to comment it. I have commented this one for the images. Okay, this one called images. For when you click the images, you have to click the images. Okay, so we have click the room id. So you have to give the images. So it goes to visit over here. Okay, when you click the button, it visit over here. It's get the images. So get method, it will be getting the images. Now we have to make the model. So we didn't make the model for image. So we have to make the model for, to create the model room images. You have to create the model room images. Room image. The model we have created room image. Press enter key. Image is also created. One room has many images. Okay, so we have to make the relationship. In order to make the relationship to get the data, so what I'm going to do is here, we have to get the, to make the relationship to get the data. So we have a images room images room images room. The room images, what's the data is available for room images. We have these two things. Room images, uh, room images, this is a table which name is room images. This images, it has a room id image path, room id image path, room id image path. So here one room as many images, the many side you have to make it as many. Okay, room images. The if you want, you can put this one as a primary key. If you just like put like this instead of not putting this one, it automatically take up the things. Okay, you don't worry about that. It automatically take care of it. Okay, the primary key, all things it automatically take care of it. Don't worry about it. Okay, so that's the thing you have to do. Okay, I hope you should understand the things. This is the one room consists of many images. This is a many side. This is the room. Okay, this is a many side. Many images consists of one. Okay, many images. Okay, one room, one side, one room belongs to many images. The many side as many, one room belongs to many images. That's the thing you have to do it. Okay, so you have to do it here. Go over here, view images. So we have a linked the response. So we have to do it here as we have to do it the image path as well. You have to implement the image path. Uh, have to implement the image path. So images. To images, you have to put this path. Set a constructor. Okay, that's the thing you have to do it. Now let's done the things well. I have done it. Now let's do it over here. Hi friends, from here how I clear this error is here the route. We have to mention the ID. That's why the error show will be like this. Room ID. You have to write it. What is here? You have to write a room name, room description. What is the ID is there? So this ID we have to given like this. Room ID. This ID will be go to the URL like this. This URL. That's why the error will be occur. Okay, so where the things web dot here. This ID image which will be this id is this one. Okay, this id will be goes to here, room id, this room id is coming here. Okay, it goes to the view images. Come go to the view images, control view images. First here load the what's the ids, room id is coming here according to the find the response of the room and along with the images it will be get rid the it will be the response will be open up the images, this manage images. Okay, that's how the thing is works. I hope you guys you understood things well. So here after that you have run the application. You can see here this application is running down here. If you click add images, it goes this page. Now you will be able to add the images, whatever images you have to add it, you will be able to add the image. So here whatever you will be able to add the images. Okay, so the things, these two things images we have to load. Click add button. So we haven't, so this there is a problem with this error. This error, how to solve this, all the things we have to do it in my next video tutorial. Thank you for watching.